So I thought I'd get one more video in before the end of the year, and so I'm going to go ahead and try and pick and get this ERA from Cory. Here's the bidding on that key. Another really smooth lock. So we'll get it tossed in the old vise here and see if we can get it picked and gutted today. See if we can zoom in a bit on this. All right, I'll be using a top of the keyway tension and a little hook here. Starting at the back on pin 5 and working my way forward. There's 5. Nothing on 4. It'll click out of 3. Nope, there's 2. So it clicks on 1. Lots of clicks on 1. So now I should just have to shoot back to 4. There it is. And it's binding. Click, click, click. Okay, something, maybe 1. It's going down and checking. There we go. I had to get 1 a little bit more. Oh man, these rings. There we go. Clips. Now, I've picked this guy a few times, but I haven't gutted it yet, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what's in here. Alright, so I'll start dumping these guys out, and I'll show them to you after I get them all dumped. There's 5, 4, 3, oh, 2, 1. Alright, start getting these guys out. Starting with 1 here at the front. Oh. Crap, 1 and 2 just shot out. 2's the shorter one, I saw that. 2 blown away with how big this first pin was. Wow. Very serrated pins, 1 and 2. Lots of pressure on these springs too. There's 3. Oh, there's a spring. Somebody's out of the way here. Let's let 5 fall out here. zoom out a second. Whoops. These are kind of hard to see, so I'm going to put this back up here and try and bring them up to the camera. So all the key pins are all standard. Like that guy there. Here is that first pin. It's very serrated. Come on, focus. There we go. Looks like it's part of a screw or something. No wonder it's so crunchy. Same with number 2 there. Three was a standard pin. 4. Even looks like there's a little bit of Loctite on 4 still. Tricky, tricky. No wonder they were so crunchy and funny feeling, man. Wow. And number 5, another standard pin. All right, well, Cory, thanks again, man, for this lock. It was a lot of fun. I had a great time picking it and playing with it, learning it, and then gutting it tonight. So thanks, everybody. Hope you have a good New Year. Take it easy.